Now we are going to solve a probability related problem. Here the problem is random variable x is uniform distributed over the interval minus a2 plus a where a greater than 0. Okay, and probability x greater than 1 is equal to 1/3 is given. We have to find the value of a. As x is uniform distributed over the range minus a to a, therefore PDF of uniform distribution fx equal to 1 by b minus a. That means 1 by 2a for the interval minus a less than x less than a. Otherwise it will be 0. Otherwise, probability x greater than equal to 1, greater than 1 equal to 1/3. As we know that probability a complement is equal to 1 minus probability a. From basic probability, first of all we have to convert probability x greater than 1 into 1 minus probability x less equal to 1, which is equal to 1/3. 1 minus integration minus a to 1 fx means 1 by 2a dx equal to 1/3. 1 minus 1 by 2a integration of dx equal to x minus a to 1 equals to 1/3. Therefore 1 minus 1 by 2a, 1 minus of minus a equal to plus a is equal to 1/3. Therefore 1 by 2a into 1 plus a is equal to 1 minus 1/3, 2/3. Therefore 1 plus a by a is equal to 4 by 3. Very easy to solve. Okay. One by a plus 1 is equal to 4 by 3. 1 by a equal to 4 by 3 minus 1. That means 1 by 3. A equal to finally 3. If any doubt, please comment me, and thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.